Let me show you how you can start affiliate marketing with ChatGPT and zero money. Affiliate marketing means promoting other people's products. And if you can put yourself between the company and the buyer, you can make a commission. The first step is to go to montoya.com because we need to find products to promote. You can see on the screen that we have a variety of products and networks. For example, this is a high-ticket product from Chris Match on the ClickBank network. The product name is Simpler Traffic. The launch date is going to be on October 24th. And the front-end price is $24.95 and they pay 50% commission. You can see that we can find products that are going to be launched in the future. The next step is to click on the JB page. And you can see that we have information that we can use to create content. We're going to do a little research to see if someone has created content about this product. I'm going to write on YouTube Simpler Traffic Review. These are the videos and I don't see information about that product, because this is another thing, simple traffic review. Drive real visitors to your blog. The second one is simple traffic review legit clicks. So it's the same thing on a simpletraffic.co, simple traffic review. And if I go to Google, as you can see that it has 0 searches per month. The first website is simple traffic review. And this is really important because if you start to create content before everyone else, you are going to have a lot of traction. Check this out. On YouTube, this keyword has 0 searches per month as well. So back to the JB page, you can scroll down and go here to this box and enter your email and name so they can send you updates about this product. The next step is to create a simple video and talk about this launch. For example, this is a video I did when this product, the 122 Profit, was launched 1 year ago. But if you don't want to show your face, you can use ChatGPT. Check this out. Go to the JB page and copy this information. Then go to ChatGPT, paste the information, and ask to write a YouTube script. As you can see, ChatGPT is writing the whole YouTube script. Then what we can do is to copy the script and go to bisla.us, create a video, choose text, and paste the script. Then make it a little cleaner and click on generate video. And we can use ChatGPT to write a YouTube script for this paragraph or this one. So you can start creating videos about this product. Once you have the email swipes, you can use this information to create more videos. This product is going to be on the ClickBank network. That means that you need to access ClickBank to get your affiliate link. And you need to be aware when they put the product on their network. So the video is ready. I'm going to click on export. And then regenerate with free stock. Remember that the more videos you have on your channel about this product, the higher the probability to drive more traffic to your affiliate link. And one thing you can do to increase your conversions is to write something like this in the description. If you buy this product through my affiliate link, I'm going to give you access to this free course, this free ebook, or this free thing. And then you need to send your bonus to the people who bought from you. If you want to access the same training that is helping me to make commissions with high-ticket affiliate marketing, you can click the first link in the description. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any questions, let me know in the comments, like and subscribe, and God bless.